Hi, this is Cassie Hartstrong, and I wanted to give you a brief overview of how to use this magnetic core board. So this magnetic core board has the 9 first core words: like, want, not, go, get, make, look, turn, and stop. Core words are 50 to 100 words that are used most dynamically in our language and have the most flexibility and power. We want our students to know these words so they can do as much with what they have as possible. And this is opposed to fringe words such as carrots or Cinderella that have very specific meanings and circumstances and can't be used across settings and needs. So that's why we teach core words first, and the fringe words kind of come in automatically based on the student's preferences. So we're going to start with like, and we start by teaching one word at a time. And just as in oral language, students don't learn just from doing, they really learn from watching. That means the communication partner, whether this is the parent or the speech pathologist or the staff members, instead of them expecting the student to be using these right away, the staff member needs to be, the communication partner needs to be comfortable modeling and using these core words. So you're going to take the AAC system, whatever it looks like, and you're going to pick a name for it. I like AAC or communication device. Sometimes people call them talkers, and I understand that, but it also kind of ages out and becomes an immature way to call their communication device at some point, and the students will learn whatever name you give it. So I'm going to use AAC. You're going to bring your AAC with you around the house or around the classroom, and you're going to be focusing on the word that you're trying to teach, which right now is like. And you, the communication partner, are using this word like in as many different scenarios as you can think of. So I have some examples here of different ways to use like. Do you like it? I like it, and it looks like fun. You could also use this in a variety of other ways because like comes up in our language in a lot of different ways. So we're teaching the whole word, not just a single concept. And the communication partner, when they're eating a snack, is going to pick up this icon, show it to the student and say, I like it, and smile real big and put it on the board. I like it. And maybe the student is smiling and they seem to be enjoying their snack. You can say, oh, you like it. And you show them the icon and you put it on the board. And that's how you model it. You just need to pick it up, show it, and put it on the board. When the student starts reaching for it or touching it or maybe grabbing it and putting it on the board themselves, it's important that you accept this as a form of communication, regardless if it seems like it's out of context, because the student has to learn that this is meaningful. So if they use it, you're going to accept it as a meaningful word. Don't ever say like, oh, I don't think that you meant to say that, or nope, not that one. You want to honor whichever one they use. And as you add words on, so like the next word I believe is want, you can leave both of them on the board so you're not taking anything away. But then you're really focusing on teaching this word want. And I will walk you guys through step by step each one of these core words by sending you little informative videos and worksheets on how to use each word in context. So again, this is just a basic overview of this core magnet board, and I hope it helps.